Hi, my name's Renee Starms, and today I'd like to talk to you about the fear of success. We're all different types of people with different personalities, but the fear of success, or inversely the fear of failure, comes to us all at some point or another. So I'd like to share with you a few tips to overcome the fear of success, but keep in mind that each one won't work for everyone. So pick what works for you, and hopefully that will help you reach your goal. The first thing I'd like to tell you to do is acknowledge the fear and know that it's okay to be afraid. Most successful people have had this fear, but they've pushed through it and overcame their fears and reached their goals. Know that there are many underlying reasons, and usually during our developmental years, that we develop a fear of success and also a fear of the unknown, but that these things can be overcome. When you think of becoming afraid of success, when you think of reaching the goals that you desire in your heart and in your mind, ask yourself the question, what's the worst thing that could happen? And when you sit down and really think about it, you'll find that your fears are irrational. So I would suggest to you to write down your goals. Your 5-year, 1 year, 6-month, 3-month, and so on. And then break them down into daily tasks that you can do to accomplish them. You go back over your goals, you reread them, and tweak them when necessary. I don't know what it is, but there's something about writing down your goals that just helps you think of them in a more positive way, sort of like having a contract with yourself. Allow yourself some quiet time, even a few moments a day, like 5 minutes, to visualize your goals. See yourself doing and being the person that you desire to be. And set aside this time every day just to focus on what you desire. Then I would suggest, don't worry about the past, whatever you've gone through. Don't worry about the future. Live right now. Focus on today. Live in the now and do the things that you can do today to move closer to your goals. And don't overwhelm yourself with doing many tasks at one time or in one day. 1 or 2 tasks a day is fine. Do those and consider yourself a winner, because every day you're chipping away at your tasks and realizing your goals, and you're becoming a success. You're making yourself a success. And there's something about the human brain that when you begin to visualize what you want and you've written it down and you are doing something daily to achieve your goals, you can't help but feel good about it. You will be eradicating that fear slowly but surely. Keep in mind that every day when you're doing 1 goal or 2 goals towards your desire, you are winning the battle. And the war is won by winning that daily battle. And as long as you're doing something daily to win the war, you're on the right path. Good luck to you. And if you want more information, check out my website. The best of luck to you all. Take care.